Vishali, I have one single
Yeah, tell me.
the word brainstorm, which was explained in the last class.
Yeah.
Uh, I'll make a sentence of that word. Did I understand that properly? Just guide me. Yeah.
Your voice is breaking. Come again. Sorry.
Okay. I'll make a sentence of that word using that word.
Okay.
Am I correct? Just you guide me. Okay.
Sure, 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 sure.
Yeah. Just this thing, like somebody has created something,
Yeah.
and to appreciate him or her, we'll say your brainstorm has came out creatively. Now, is
Yes.
that correct?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your brainstorm
Oh,
process has worked well. It has come out well. Perfect.
okay.
Good, good. Very good.
Okay.
Well done, Shivaji.
Thank
I'm
you.
proud of you. Good. I like it.
Thank you. Okay.
Lakshmi, you have any
Okay.
question?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Actually, I have a lot of fear about brainstorming, ma'am.
No, you don't have to worry. Brainstorming is a process which you get used to it after the practice. More you practice, more you get used to this
Yeah.
habit of brainstorming. Everything you see around you, you start thinking about it in a creative aspect. So thinking creatively is something called
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
For
So
brainstorming, we need to select a topic, right? We
yeah,
need to
yeah.
work on that
It
topic,
can.
right?
You don't have to really push yourself to select the topic. Something you get
Yes, yes, ma'am.
inspired automatically, you get inspiration, you like something, you get inspired, and then you start working on
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
So you're not forced to
Yes, ma'am.
select the
Yes, ma'am.
topic. Don't get a burden
Yes,
that you
ma'am.
have to
Yes, ma'am.
select the topic. Yeah.
Actually, in college, those people forcefully told select one topic like that only.
Okay, okay, there is a
It's
Ritvik here.
little difficult to.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik,
Yes, ma'am.
hi Ritvik, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good, good, good. Your internet connection is strong, no, today?
Yes.
Great, great, great. So you missed our first class, which was all about the introduction about fashion illustration, which you have actually learned. So for you, it's not a problem. We are going on the session 2 today. We are going to learn session 2. So Seemaji and Lakshmi, I had asked you to come up with your own signature. Are you guys, have
Yes,
you
Yes.
ma'am.
guys worked on it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Great. We will take it at, okay, you're showing now. Okay, what we'll do is we'll take it at the end of the sessions.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Ridvik, I'll explain you what it is. आप इसका फोटो निकाल के ना आप मुझे भेज सकते हो अभी एक ये सेशन के
I
बाद
have shared you, Vishali.
send okay
Yeah,
okay
yeah.
okay yeah you can send me after this session. There will be an interval. In that you can send me. I will go through it. Even you also, Lakshmi. Hello,
Okay, ma'am.
Lakshmi.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. After
Okay,
this,
ma'am.
there is a break.
Okay.
You can send me after that.
Sure.
Chalo, let's get
Sure, ma'am.
started. Let's get started for our next session. That is about.
Okay.
I'm going to share the slide and you will understand. I'm going to share the screen. Just confirm me once that you can see the screen. Yeah.
Yes, Vishali. We
Yeah.
can see this.
You can
I
see.
can see this.
Great,
Yeah.
great, great.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going to stop my video, myself video, because I'm going to explain you the screen. So there shouldn't be any
Okay,
network
ma'am. Okay,
issue.
no
Yeah.
problem.
So, okay, let's go for it. Last session, Ridvik, you can hear, right? Ridvik, you can hear? Ridvik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, last session we spoke about drawing tools, drawing material, and drawing tips. I'll be sharing anyways the PDF with you so that you will understand what it is all about. What all the tools are there, what all the drawing
Okay.
materials, and what are the drawing tips are there. I will explain you later. I mean, separately, I'll send you the PDF. Now today we are going to talk about the basic knowledge about fashion illustration. As you students are very new to this subject, you need to really understand what is the correlation of fashion illustration with design, color, terminology. We are going to learn today pencil arts, and we are also going to understand different types of pencil arts. So let's get started. Actually, there's a very little theory and there's going to be a practical. So the first session was very much about theory, but the second session is little bit theory, but from third session onwards we'll be doing a lot of practicals. So here, let's go for it. So as I said, we are going to understand the design. So let me ask you first thing. Who can tell me what is the design is? आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हो. Who can tell me what is design is?
Creativity.
Creativity. Okay. What is design is? Lakshmi. Lakshmi,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what is design is. आप
No, I
design
want
किसे
to
बोलते
listen
हो?
from your side. I thought I don't have a good answer actually.
Okay. No problem. No problem. I'll explain you.
Ma'am.
Ridvik, you're very talented. Okay, guys, we have Ridvik here with us. He's very talented guy already. He's good into illustration, but just to brush up, he's attending this basic. So, Ridvik, designing क्या होता है according to you?
Designing. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm listening. You say. We are listening. Just don't shy. Don't be shy. बोल दो आप डिजाइनिंग क्या होता है आपके हिसाब से डिजाइन क्या होता है
Mm, Design was creativity और अपन मन में
क्या
मैम
Okay, no
ठीक
problem.
ना
No problem. I'll explain you. So design is basically, let's call it a plan. ये जो ऐसा plan होता है that whatever ideas we have, we put it together on the paper or somewhere, anywhere. But it is a plan. So this is how we describe design. ये डिजाइन क्या होती है ये हमें दिस एक्सप्रेसेस द प्रोसेस ऑफ डेवलपिंग अ डिजाइन इट इज द वर्ब मतलब कि ग्रामेटिकल इंग्लिश ग्रामेटिकल इट्स इंग्लिश ग्रामर दैट इज अ वर्ब टू डिजाइन एक्सप्रेस the process of developing a design. Basically it can be the it can be preliminary sketch or plan for work to be executed. मतलब हम लोग कुछ भी काम करने से पहले या फिर कुछ भी गारमेंट्स कलेक्शन बनाने से पहले हम लोग उसे डिजाइन बनाते हैं. So this is called a design. इसका जस्ट एक थियोरेटिकल डेफिनेशन है व्हाट इज डिजाइन. सो विच इज डन आर्टिस्टिकली एंड स्किलफुली. तो हमें इसको एक स्किल से करना है बस पेपर पे कुछ भी नहीं करना है हमें उसे एक स्किल फॉर्म में देना है. जैसा मैंने आपको कल भी कहा था आई टोल्ड यू दैट बी वेरी क्रिएटिव एंड बी वेरी इनोवेटिव. सो वट एवर यू डिजाइन you have to be creative and you have to be innovative. So that is the idea of designing. ठीक है all are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are going to understand. Seema ji is there, right? Yeah, I can see her.
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah.
Correct. So now let's understand the color and fashion. So the role of color in fashion designing is very important because it creates a visual impact. ये एक impact बनाता है. Visually, it gives you a good idea about what is happening. There are a lot of things, lot of theory related to the color. अगर हम दो अच्छे कलर कंबाइन करते हैं तो वी गेट अ गुड लुक. सो बेसिकली कंबाइन वेल टू लुक एट इट्स बेस्ट. Color plays important role in achieving a successful design. The secret formula of any successful design is to have a good color combination or the use of good color in that particular style. So ये आपको अग्री होगा दैट कलर प्लेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. आप कुछ भी इलस्ट्रेशन भी बनाते हो उसको आप पहले सोचते हो इसमें मुझे क्या कलर डालने हैं बिकॉज यू ऑल्सो नो द कलर इज समथिंग विच इज गोना हैव अ विजुअल इम्पैक्ट ओवरऑल. सो फैशन डिजाइनर्स क्या करते हैं. फैशन डिजाइनर इनकॉर्पोरेट कलर्स टू अचीव हार्मोनियस गारमेंट डिजाइन. फैशन डिजाइनर किसी भी थीम पे अगर काम करते हैं तो उनका एक थीम में जरूर दे हैव टू इंक्लूड दिस इन थीम दैट व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द कलर पैलेट. कलर पैलेट का मतलब होता है दैट एज पर द सीजन है, जैसे स्प्रिंग समर के कलर अलग होते हैं, फॉल विंटर सीजन होता है द सेकेंड सीजन, जिसमें उसके भी कलर पैलेट अलग होते हैं. सो एज पर द सीजन्स एंड एज पर द कलर फोकास्ट, जो कलर के ट्रेंड होते हैं, बिकॉज यू नो द फैशन डिजाइनर वर्क्स ऑन द फैशन फोकास्ट, दे फॉलो द फैशन फोकास्ट. सो एवरी टाइम एवरी सीजन देर इज अ फैशन फोकास्ट. फोरकास्ट समझते हो फैशन फोकास्ट क्या होता है? सीमा जी आपको पता है फैशन फोरकास्ट क्या होता है? आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है सीमा जी.
बैकग्राउंड
सुन रहा है
Yeah,
विशाली जी?
yeah. I can listen. I can hear you. You know the meaning
Okay.
of fashion focused?
Is that background? Means the
No. The
picture
focused is
no?
not background. No. Lakshmi, you are into fashion, right? Tell me what is the meaning of focused, fashion focused?
Forecasting is not yet done, ma'am. Actually, I also don't know.
Oh my God. Okay, you're a fashion student. You should know. Ritvik?
No, ma'am. Actually, from a few months only, I am field, ma'am.
No problem, dear. No problem. Ritvik, can you tell me what is the fashion focused? Ritvik?
मैम फैशन फोरकास्ट में मतलब जो कुछ ट्रेंड में है वो.
या जो कुछ ट्रेंड
Hello?
में मतलब फैशन में है, आप बोलते जाओ, वी आर लिसनिंग.
जो फैशन में है उसका वो ध्यान में रखकर कुछ बनाना.
यस. फैशन फोरकास्ट मतलब क्या होता है मैं आपको बताती हूँ. एक फैशन का स्टडी किया जाता है बाय ऑल द डिजाइनर्स, बाय ऑल द टॉप लीडिंग डिजाइनर्स. जैसे ये फैशन शोज होते हैं, इंटरनेशनल फैशन शोज होते हैं, फैशन वीक्स होते हैं. इसमें ये डिजाइनर एक ट्रेंड सेट करते हैं कि ये अभी ये फैशन में है. हमें हमेशा पता चलता है इस सीजन में, हम लोग बोलते हैं ना अभी ये फैशन में, अभी वो फैशन में. तो ये ट्रेंड सेट होता है बाय दिस इंटरनेशनल एंड दिस डिजाइनर्स इन द फैशन वीक्स. एंड दैट इज हाउ फैशन फोकस्ड वर्क्स. एज इन फैशन फोकस्ड हमें एक प्लेटफॉर्म देता है कि अभी आगे फैशन में क्या आने वाला है. बेसिकली इट गिव्स एन आइडिया. सो फैशन फोकस इज लाइक अ प्रेडिक्शन समझते हो ना आप, एक प्रेडिक्शन करते हो अभी क्या आगे फैशन में आने वाला है. तो फैशन फोकस्ड इज अ स्टडी. तो उस स्टडी में पता चल जाता है कि अभी अगले वाले सीजन में कौन सा कलर है फैशन में, उसे बोलते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट द आइडिया ऑफ मेकिंग द गारमेंट कलेक्शन बनाने के लिए वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द कलर पैलेट फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर सीजन. सो दिस इज हाउ कलर प्लेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन द फैशन डिजाइनिंग. Okay, now the second point is it can also affect the illusion of size and shape. जो कलर हम यूज करते हैं it affects your any person's size and shape. For example, if there is a very chubby fat woman, तो हम उसे कौन से कलर के कपड़े देना प्रेफर करेंगे उसको, बिकॉज शी इज फैट सो शी डेफिनेटली वांट्स टू लुक स्लिम. उन्हें स्लिम दिखना है, राइट? सो वी विल गिव हर व्हाट कलर्स?
Soft colors.
नहीं, सॉफ्ट कलर कैसे देंगे? अगर लेडी फैट है तो उन्हें हम देंगे डार्कर कलर्स. डार्क कलर से
बट
क्या
वो जब उठ के दिखेगा ना, मतलब हाईलाइट हो जाएगी ना वो.
नहीं, डार्क कलर मतलब मेरा मतलब फ्लोरोसेंट कलर नहीं. ब्लैक, लेट्स से डार्क ब्लैक, लाइक ब्लैक इज अ डार्क कलर, नेवी कलर. ये कलर से क्या होता है, उसकी इंटेंसिटी छोटी लगती है, तो वो दैट लेडी लुक्स स्लिमर. और अगर यही लेडीज जब स्लिम है तो उसे हमें स्टैंड आउट करने के लिए वी प्रेफर ब्राइट कलर. सो दैट इज हाउ कलर इफेक्ट्स द साइज एंड द शेप. And it is also associated with the psychological traits and emotions. Psychological traits and emotion का मतलब क्या होता है? हर एक कलर अलग अलग साइकोलॉजी डिटेक्ट करता है.
जी.
अभी आप कैसे समझोगे ये साइकोलॉजी क्या होती है, कैसे साइकोलॉजी डिटेक्ट करता है? हियर इट इज. सो रेड कलर जो होता है, रेड कलर ये क्या दिखाता है हमें? एक्साइटमेंट, पैशनेट, aggressive. Red color is a sign of these elements: exciting, aggressive, passionate. What orange color symbolizes? It is quite earthy, warm. It is hopeful. Yellow is cheerful. Yellow is very bright and cheerful. It's very happy color, sunny color, yellow color. So this is how it is psychologically affected to anybody. The green color is restful. It is fresh. It is quite fresh to everybody in simple words. ब्लू कलर क्या होता है? समुद्र का कलर ब्लू काम होता है, शांत होता है, कूल होता है, कभी कभी डिप्रेस्ड भी होता है, मतलब उदास. द पर्पल कलर इज मोर ऑफ ड्रामा, रिच, रॉयल. ये सब बेसिक है आपके लिए. आगे आगे जैसे जैसे एक एक लेवल आगे जाते हैं हम इसके बारे में डिटेल में जाते हैं. इनका मतलब क्या है कि जो हम ब्रांड देखते हैं, एवरी ब्रांड हैज देयर ओन लोगो, राइट? एवरी ब्रांड हैज देयर ओन लोगो, और वो लोगो पे एक कलर कॉम्बिनेशन होता है. डू यू अग्री दैट एवरी ब्रांड हैज द पर्टिकुलर लोगो एंड इट हैज गॉट अ कलर कॉम्बिनेशन? Everybody is there?
Yes.
ये देख रहे हो आप, ये पोस्टर कलर का डब्बा है. पोस्टर कलर के इस डब्बे में उसका लोगो है, कैमल का लोगो है. कैमल का लोगो कौन से कलर में है? बैकग्राउंड येलो है और उसके ऊपर रेड कलर का कैमल है, राइट? दिस कलर्स आर डिजाइन फॉर लाइक बीइंग वेरी प्लेफुल, कुछ एक्साइटमेंट क्रिएट करने के लिए, कुछ पैशन लाने के लिए. दिस इज द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ पोस्टर कलर्स. पोस्टर कलर्स आर यूज्ड फॉर फन. तो अभी इसमें जैसे रेड एंड येलो कलर है. रेड कलर का मतलब क्या है स्क्रीन पे? इट इज एक्साइटिंग, इट इज वेरी पैशनेट, इट इज अग्रेसिव. एंड येलो इज चीयरफुल. सो दिस इज हाउ, एक ये सिंपल एग्जांपल था कि कलर कैसे साइकोलॉजी के साथ खेलता है, हाउ द कलर वर्क्स व्हेन. तो आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है. आप कुछ भी डिजाइन भी करते हो ना, तो आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है कि आपका एक डिजाइन, एज अ डिजाइनर यू नीड टू रिमेम्बर व्हाट सीजन यू आर वर्किंग फॉर. सीजन के हिसाब से कलर डिफरेंस होता है. सीजन के हिसाब से डिसाइड होता है कौन सा कलर पैलेट हमें यूज करना है. और दूसरा होता है अपनी थीम. थीम के हिसाब से भी कलर्स काफी चेंज होते हैं. कौन से कलर यूज करना है थीम के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. Supposing you go for flowers, so you can do colorful scheme. Supposing you go for something very subtle, you have to look for pastels. So this is how color plays important role. Now going on the next slide, we are going to understand. So this is one of the example of color and fashion, how it plays the role. Beautifully placed color. There's a, these all three colors together also look so good together on ramp. But what we are going to understand about colors is color. What do we call colors? We call colors as hue. The main color is called as hue. Any main color. Hue means name given to the color. It can be maroon, red, orange. कौन सा भी कलर का नाम हो उसको hue बोलते हैं. HUEU. Lakshmi, I hope you are there. Great.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm
Okay,
here
okay,
only.
okay. Great. Amazing. You can ask me questions in between. That's absolutely fine. But I'm just going to explain you
Sure, ma'am.
first.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm going to first explain you. Hue, value, tint, shade, intensity और neutral क्या होता है. Hue is
Sure,
basically,
ma'am. Sure.
yeah, hue is basically a name given to any color. वैल्यू मतलब कलर का डार्कनेस और लाइटनेस. वी मेजर द कलर, वी मेजर कलर्स लाइटनेस और डार्कनेस लाइक अ वैल्यू स्केल बोलते हैं उसे. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वैल्यू स्केल वी कॉल इट अ वैल्यू स्केल. मतलब इट शोज अस वेदर द कलर इज लाइट और वेदर द कलर इज डार्क. सो वी आस्क व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द कलर. गेट इट? अगर किसी ने पूछा व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द कलर, इट इज लाइट और डार्क. दिस इज हाउ वैल्यू इज डिफाइंड. टिंट क्या होता है? टिंट मतलब एनी ह्यू प्लस व्हाइट कलर. कोई भी कलर ले लो, उसमें आप व्हाइट डालो तो उसके जो आते हैं व्हाइट के जो टिंट्स आते हैं उसे बोलते हैं टिंट्स. मतलब जितना व्हाइट डालोगे उतना लाइट होता जाएगा, लाइट होता जाएगा. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड टिंट. एंड व्हाट इज शेड? शेड मतलब एनी कलर यू ऐड ब्लैक color, any color, any color, you any you keep adding black color, you get shades. Shades is common word. और इंटेंसिटी क्या होता है? इंटेंसिटी का मतलब होता है व्हाट डू यू कॉल, हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं सीमा जी इंटेंसिटी को? कितना डार्क है, कितना लाइट है, इंटेंसिटी उसका कितना स्ट्रांगली डार्क है, कितना स्ट्रांगली लाइट है। या
भड़कीला।
हाँ, इंटेंसिटी मतलब भड़कीला बोल सकते हो, मेनली इट इज कितना लाइट है, कितना डार्क है, इट शोज दैट।
या
एंड न्यूट्रल्स इज ब्लैक, व्हाइट एंड ग्रे। बेज कलर, बेज कलर आपने सुना है? बेज कलर आपने किसी ने बेज कलर सुना है? बेज कलर क्या होता है? एनीबडी नोज बेज कलर?
नो।
नो।
व्हाट कलर इज दैट?
बेज कलर इज लाइक अ खाकी कलर, जैसे होता है ना खाकी का लाइटर वर्जन, बहुत सा लाइटर वर्जन खाकी कलर का। I will
Okay.
actually, yeah, beige color is that. But in addition to this, let me show you the U very well, because I thought I should show you this way. Oops. Now I'm going to quickly explain you again what is the U is like. You see here, the U is the pure color. जो outside colors, color इसको color wheel बोलते हैं. And what is the outside color is the U. It's a pure color. ये pure color है. Now in this pure color, any of this pure color, I keep adding white. What I get? Tint. As I said, if you keep adding white, you get tint. Now if you keep adding, let's see this part, if you keep adding black, you get shade. This is the shade. And there is something called tone. हम ये टोन वर्ड भी काफी यूज करते हैं. टोन मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाइट और ब्लैक कलर को यूज करने के बाद मिलता है हमें ग्रे. सो यू को ग्रे के साथ मिक्स करके हमें मिलता है टोन. एंड लिसन, यू हैव टू मेक ऑल दिस, ओके? ये आपको बनाना है. आपके पास अभी इसके बाद हम लोग जो प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे इसमें आपको ये सब बनाना है. यू हैव टू मेक द कलर व्हील, यू हैव टू मेक दिस एंटायर यू, टिन, टोन, शेड, आपको ये सब बनाना है.
Okay.
Okay, now let's go to the color theory. As I said, color theory is something which help us to come up with the right color combination, to understand the color in a deep manner. So here is the color theory. ये आपने कभी देखा है, आपने कभी पढ़ा है color theory? Lakshmi, you have done the color theory?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done the color theory?
But that time I am not in class, ma'am, because I got COVID that time.
Oh, that's so sorry. सीमा जी, आपने color theory की है?
Yes, I have. मैंने अपने कॉलेज में की थी.
कॉलेज में की थी. ओके ओके. नाउ दिस इज द टाइम टू गेट इनटू द कॉलेज अगेन. ग्रेट. एंड ऋत्विक, आई अंडरस्टैंड आपने, ऋत्विक ने कलर थ्योरी की है, बट ऋत्विक जस्ट नीड अ ब्रश अप. सो द ऋत्विक, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट आर 3 प्राइमरी कलर्स?
Ma'am, can you
Red,
please
yellow,
explain
and
me
blue.
clearly? Because that time in class also, I'm not there in class, in college
Okay.
sessions also.
Okay.
Please explain me clearly, okay?
I am here to
Thank you,
explain
madam.
you. Whatever you ask, I am there to explain you. Don't worry about it.
Okay, okay.
I will
Thank
solve
you, ma'am.
all your problem. I'll make sure that your all problems are solved.
Okay, thank you.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
बेसिकली कलर थ्योरी क्या होता है? एक ये कलर का साइंस होता है. एंड ये बहुत लॉजिकल होता है, काफी यूजफुल होता है. इस कलर थियरी में क्या क्या होता है? कलर व्हील होती है. देयर इज कॉल्ड अ कलर व्हील. द वन यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन इज द कलर व्हील. एंड देयर इज अ कलर हार्मनी, एंड देयर इज it's a method that how you can use colors in order to make your, for fashion designers, in order to make your collection look better. हम लोग कोई भी कलर यहाँ से उधर से उठा के नहीं डाल सकते. There is a concept, there is an idea behind putting colors together. Get it? So I will tell you this, the color wheel. In this color wheel, basically it starts with 3 primary colors. We have main 3 colors. I'm going to just explain you in the next slide what all the 3 colors are. Before that, you can see there is a primary color, there is a secondary color, there is intermediate color, and there is a neutral color. So the primary color is Ritvik, you answered it right. Red, yellow and blue. You find it in your poster color box. So basically ये जो primary colors होते हैं red, yellow and blue. These three colors, remember, they can't be made mixing any color. ये original color होते हैं. You can't mix any colors to make these colors. These are original foundation colors, primary colors. That's why they are called as primary color, first colors. Then moving on to the secondary color. How secondary color कैसे बनते हैं? कोई बता सकता है? It's a common logic. कोई बता सकता है how the secondary color is made?
When two colors are mixed together,
Perfect.
we get the secondary color.
Perfect. So this is how it is. Here it is. So when these two colors are mixed, we get this secondary color. When these two colors are mixed, we get this secondary color. These two colors are mixed, we are getting this secondary color. और ये जो बाहर के जो पार्ट में है ये सारे हैं टर्शरी कलर. इनको बोलते हैं
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, primary colors we can't mix with any other color, right?
No. Primary colors can't be formed. Primary colors are
Okay.
original. That's the reason they are called primary colors. Na? They are primary.
Okay,
They are the
okay.
prime colors. Here it is.
Yes.
See,
Okay.
like
Thank
we
you, ma'am.
had red, yellow and blue as primary. Secondary color were
Yes,
mix of these two colors. So these are secondary color. And tertiary colors are the one who are made using primary plus secondary color. When we mix primary and secondary color, see here we got secondary color, here we got primary color. So when we mix primary with secondary, we get tertiary. Have you got that? Lakshmi, you got it. Primary color here. See the arrow. Primary color is
Yes,
red.
ma'am.
This is mix of these
Ma'am,
two
if you don't mind, can you please explain about secondary color again? Secondary colors?
Secondary color is mix of two primary colors. Now here what color you can see? Red. Here it is blue. So when I mix red with blue, you will get violet. This is the secondary color.
Okay.
So here it goes,
Yeah.
right? We pull the secondary color here. We pull the primary color here. When we mix primary and
Yeah.
secondary together, we get this tertiary color.
Okay, ma'am.
See, here it is.
Thank
So
you, thank
tertiary
you.
colors are alternate. Don't worry, we are going to learn everything. We are going to do it on the paper. We are going to make a nice color wheel for that. Okay, this is about this color. Now understand the color theory next part, that in this color wheel also, again, if we divide it into half, there is a family of red and there is a family of blue. So what does that mean? Red is the family of warm colors. We call it warm colors. You know, red gives that feeling of being warm, red, orange, yellow. So when it is about the warm colors, it is red, yellow, orange, and its secondary, tertiary colors. And when it is about cool colors, it is the other side of the color wheel. This is the other side of the color wheel. It's the same thing. It's the same colors, but the design is different. It's like triangles. Are you getting, Lakshmi? It's the same color. Same colors are here.
Yes, ma'am.
Same colors are here, but this is in a triangular form. So one side is called warm colors, the
Okay.
other side is called cool color. Cool color is, we know the blue is always the cool color. So this is blue is cool color family and this is warm color family. I will tell you the usage of
Okay.
that, but this is just a basic level. You need
Okay.
to understand this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And now we are going to talk about the terminology, terms and terminology. The very first thing is accessories. Accessories means, as you all know, accessories means what? Can anyone tell me accessories क्या होता है?
The band, the bracelet, the earrings, what we put on the croquis.
Scarf, footwear, it is all accessories. Gloves डालते हैं हम लोग, neckwear डालते हैं, that is all accessory. Okay, and then we have another word, asymmetrical. What is meaning of asymmetrical? These are very common words. Asymmetrical मतलब क्या होता है?
No.
Asymmetrical means it is something, let's say a line which is not in center, which is diagonal, vertical, it's not balanced. Symmetrical मतलब क्या होता है? 3x3. Let's say 3x3 का कुछ structure है, वो symmetrical है. It is balanced. 2x2, 1x1, like that. It is balanced, symmetrical. Asymmetrical मतलब let's say 3x2, 3x6. Anything which is not symmetric, that is called asymmetrical. Asymmetrical balance होता है. Then we have classic. So the meaning of classic, आपने सुना होगा, काफी classic style था उन्होंने जो डाला था, it was very classic. क्लासिक का मतलब क्या होता है? ये ऐसी स्टाइल होती है जो लॉन्ग रन में भी सेम रहती है, वो कभी चेंज नहीं होती. क्लासिक स्टाइल्स के एग्जांपल क्या है? जैसे आप ये शर्ट वेस्ट डालते हो, ड्रेसेस डालते हो, बेसिक ड्रेसेस जो डालते हो वो क्लासिक है. ब्लेजर्स डालते हो, ब्लेजर्स कभी अब तक फैशन में से गए नहीं, ब्लेजर्स आप हमेशा डालते हो, दैट इज क्लासिक. आप कोट डालते हो, बड़े बड़े जो बाहर के कंट्रीज में डालते हैं, दैट इज क्लासिक. क्लासिक मीन्स समथिंग विच इज नेवर गॉन आउट ऑफ द फैशन, जो हमेशा से चलता आ रहा है, जो हमेशा से चलता आ रहा है, वो कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. आर यू गेटिंग इट? व्हाट इज क्लासिक?
Yeah, yeah.
या सो लेट्स गो ऑन कलेक्शन. कलेक्शन क्या होता है? ये जो टर्म है हम ये यूज करते हैं डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए. मतलब एक डिजाइनर का जो पूरे सीजन को लेके जो डिजाइनर लाइन बनाते हैं, कलेक्शन बनाते हैं, सीजन का लाइन बनाते हैं, उसे हम कलेक्शन बोलते हैं. मतलब एक सीजन को लेके अगर सपोज मैंने 10 गारमेंट बनाए हैं, वो मेरा कलेक्शन है. माय कलेक्शन इज बेस्ड ऑन अ थीम, लेट्स से द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. माय कलेक्शन इज बेस्ड ऑन अ थीम एक्सट्रैक्ट. तो कलेक्शन का मतलब वो होता है जो आप गारमेंट्स बनाते हो, उससे कलेक्शन बोला जाता है. देन वी हैव कुट्योर. कुट्योर, एनीबडी नोज कुट्योर? वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड, ये बहुत अच्छा वर्ड है, बहुत जगह पे यूज होता है. ओके, कुट्योर इज फ्रेंच, इट्स अ फ्रेंच वर्ड. फ्रेंच वर्ड होता है कुट्योर. और इट इज, ये हाई फैशन के लिए यूज किया जाता है. जो हाई फैशन के क्लोथ्स होते हैं, जो जैसे सेलिब्रिटीज डालते हैं, जरा हटके स्टाइल्स होती है, उसके लिए कुट्योर यूज होता है. Just give me a second. This is an important call. Sorry, okay. So the couture is a French name to describe the high fashion collection.
Okay. Vishali,
Yeah.
yeah. Before you pronounce this word, I read it as couture.
Exactly.
Is that wrong?
No. It's wrong. I am going to ask you all to pronounce it. मैं आपको pronounce करना है.
Right, ma'am.
At the end, you all are. Wait, Lakshmi. At the end, you all are going to pronounce it because I'm going to show you the pronunciation. Okay, so I'll just finish the explanation of the terms and then you pronounce it. Okay. Now there is something called fashion. What is the meaning?
Ma'am, can I ask you one thing?
After let me just finish this in a go, huh? Then you ask.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So what is fashion? Fashion is nothing but let's say it's a style and it is accepted by majority of people. सबसे ज्यादा लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट किया है कि हम बोलते हैं कि ये फैशन में है. मतलब like lot of people have accepted that style. So that is why this is called as fashion. In simple word, everybody knows what is fashion is, but हमें डिटेल नहीं पता होता what is fashion. Fashion is जो बहुत सारे लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट किया है. पोल्का डॉट सबको पसंद आ रहे हैं, सब लोग उठकर डाल रहे हैं, सब कॉलेज में ये स्लीव पर्टिकुलर डाल रहे हैं, तो दैट इज फैशन. एंड व्हाट इज हाई फैशन? High fashion is something which is like made on an exclusive line. It is made on like let's say something which has got a high value. Everything is high value. The material is expensive. उसका बनाने का खर्चा is expensive. The finishing is world class finish. So that is called high fashion garment. There is no compromise on the quality. There is no compromise on the marketing also. So that is something called high fashion. Classic we already discussed. Okay. Rendering क्या होता है? Rendering is Lakshmi, you want to say what is rendering?
No, ma'am, I don't know. Actually, I listen about the term couture word.
Okay. No.
But I don't have.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am.
Rendering is something like used for the shading. While when we do the drawings, we do the shading with the help of pencil. That is called rendering. Even we do the coloring also ना, that also we call rendering. हम लोग जो coloring करते हैं, shading करते हैं pencil से, उसको rendering बोला जाता है. Get it?
Yes, ma'am.
या स्टिपलिंग जो है एंड क्रॉस हैचिंग है, दिस टू वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न आफ्टर दिस सेशन, वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न स्टिपलिंग एंड क्रॉस हैचिंग, तो वो मैं आपको पेपर पे दिखा दूंगी. एंड द सिलुएट, सिलुएट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड. सिलुएट का मतलब होता है आप जो गारमेंट डालते हो उसका एक पर्टिकुलर आउटलाइन होता है. लाइक समबडी वेयर्स गाउन, समबडी वेयर्स मरमेड स्कर्ट, पता है आपको मरमेड स्कर्ट, तो उसका एक आउटलाइन होता है मरमेड की तरह, तो उसे बोलते हैं सिलुएट. क्या सिलुएट आपने डाला है, दैट इज नथिंग बट सिलुएट. गेट इट. सो अभी आप क्या करोगे, मैं आपको इसको प्रोनाउंसिएशन बता रही हूँ, देन यू प्रोनाउंस इट आफ्टर मी. से एक्सेसरीज.
Accessories.
या सीमा जी से एक्सेसरीज.
Yeah, accessories.
गुड. क्लासिक.
Classic.
Classic.
ऋत्विक, you can also say classic.
classic,
Asymmetrical.
Asymmetrical.
Couture.
Couture. Perfect. Yeah.
Fashion.
Yeah.
High fashion.
Yeah.
Rendering.
Correct.
Stipple.
Stipple. Correct.
Crosshatch.
Crosshatch. Correct.
And silhouette.
Silhouette. Silhouette.
Okay. Silhouette.
Yes. Lakshmi, your
Okay.
turn.
Silhouette. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it. Pronounce it.
Shall I, ma'am?
Yes.
Accessory. Asymmetrical. Classic. Collection. Couture. Fashion. High fashion. Rendering. Stipple. Crosshatch. Silhouette.
Perfect. It was sounding as if you're singing.
Yeah.
Ridvik. Ridvik,
yes,
pronounce it.
yes ma'am, accessories, accessories, asymmetrical, classic, collection, couture, fashion, high fashion, rendering, stipple, crosshatch, silhouette.
Perfect. And it's asymmetrical, okay? Asymmetrical. बाकी अच्छा pronounce किया. Well done. Very good. So, okay, we are good to go for the next level. Now we are going to learn pencil shading. आपके पास जो पेंसिल का फैबर कैसल का बॉक्स है उसमें काफ़ी पेंसिल्स है. So ये पेंसिल से हम कुछ शेडिंग करना सीखेंगे. And before that you need to understand the importance of shading. Like what is value, हम शेडिंग क्यों करते हैं. आपको पता होगा जो कोई पोर्ट्रेट्स बनते हैं उसमें एक जिंदापन क्यों आता है. वाई द पोर्ट्रेट इज वेरी लाइव, बिकॉज द शेडिंग इज डन इन सच अ वे दैट इट लुक्स रियल, राइट. So that is the importance of shading, pencil shading, and we are going to understand different methods of doing it. And in order to start with it, I am going to switch my camera, and let me tell you there are different methods of creating values. एक second. Okay. So ये वैल्यू क्या होता है, वैल्यू क्या होता है आपको समझना बहुत जरूरी है. एक किसी शेप को, सपोज यू सी दिस सर्कल, ये एक एक्चुअली राउंड सर्कल बनाया गया है. एक सर्कल को इन्होंने, द शेडिंग इज डन इन सच अ वे कि ये कभी फॉर्म लग रहा है. यू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ द शेप एंड द फॉर्म. एक शेप को ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक्चुअल में वहां पे बॉल है और हम उसे उठा सकते हैं अभी. इट्स लुकिंग लाइक अ फॉर्म. सो ये शेप को फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने का जो भी कोई टास्क है, व्हाट व्हाई दिस हैपेंस, बिकॉज हम उसमें वैल्यू डालते हैं. तो ये वैल्यू डालने के जो तरीके हैं, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स टू ऐड द वैल्यू, इज समथिंग, दोज इफेक्ट्स वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न, दो स्टाइल्स वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न. और ये वैल्यू किस लिए दी जाती है, वैल्यू यूज टू गिव शेप अ डिमेंशन. एक डायमेंशन, शेप को एक डायमेंशन देती है वैल्यू. एक 3D, जैसे 3D लुक होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये भी एक सिंपल वैल्यू था, लेकिन अभी आपको ये लग रहा है कि जैसे कोई फ्लास्क है, जैसे कोई ये एक्चुअल में कोई चीज रखी हुई है एज अ फॉर्म. सो आर यू क्लियर कि व्हाट इज वैल्यू, और वैल्यू क्या, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ वैल्यू. वैल्यू एक शेप को फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करता है. ये सिंपल राउंड को, बिकॉज ऑफ द शेडिंग, it is looking like a real ball. सो ये कैसे होता है, इसके कोई तरीके होते हैं. वी हैव गॉट सम टेक्निक्स एंड दोस टेक्निक्स आर हैचिंग, क्रॉस हैचिंग, स्टिपलिंग एंड ब्लेंडिंग. और मैं आपको ये चारों तरीके अभी पेपर पे दिखाने वाली हूँ कि हैचिंग कैसे होती है, क्रॉस कैसे होती है, स्टिपलिंग कैसे होती है और ब्लेंडिंग कैसे होती है. ठीक है. एंड मैं अभी स्क्रीन शेयर यहाँ का स्टॉप करके आई एम स्टार्टिंग माई अनदर कैमरा एंड देयर यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. आई एम गोइंग टू एडजस्ट इट एक्चुअली. Okay. So the very first thing when you begin any shading or anything on the paper, सबसे important चीज है उसे outline देना. I think Ridvi knows that. We always give the outline first. So I'm going to start with the outline. आपके पास भी पेपर है ना, उसे आप आउटलाइन दीजिए. सीमा जी, लक्ष्मी को Ridvi is gone out. Okay. लक्ष्मी.
Yes, ma'am.
जी, आपके पास जो पेपर है ना, you have this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Outline it with me. Outline it.
Okay, ma'am.
You can see I am actually doing the outlines. You can see as well. I'm doing it with the sketch pen. आप sketch pen से करो या black pen से करो, कोई problem नहीं. I have done the outline and I'm going to write it like pencil shading. I'm going to title this pencil shading. So if you, I'm going to make 4 parts in this. I'm going to make 4 squares. I'm going to make 2" by 2". And I'm using this 2B pencil. Are you all with me? Have you done the outline?
Yes, ma'am.
Outline हो गया?
Yeah, it's done.
Great. Now make 2 by 2 के 4 squares. 2 by 2 4 squares. My 1 square is done. I will do it with the sketch pen so that you can see it.
Ma'am, can you please show me that paper? Actually, I don't get the point.
What? See,
Um,
see, it's see.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
I'm making 2 by 2 squares, 4 squares.
It's from the not centimeters, right? It's heavy. From another.
We always talk in inches. Yeah, we always talk in inches.
Oh. Okay.
Ritwik, have you
2 by 2 means 5 centimeters, right, ma'am?
What? What are you saying, Lakshmi? Lakshmi, what you saying? Right now you can make approximate 2 by 2. Later you can do the well-finished assignment. This is just the thing I'm going to show you today, how to do the hatching, cross-hatching and the blending.
Ma'am, 2 by 2 means 5 centimeters, right? 2 inches means
2 inches is, let me see,
5 centimeters, right?
5 1/4. Yeah, 5 inches is 5 centimeters is fine.
Yes, ma'am. How many boxes we need to draw, ma'am?
Just 4. We are learning 4
4
techniques.
boxes. Okay.
It's done. We have to draw 4 more. Okay, it's in the heading.
Headings. Hatching,
Yeah, yeah.
HATCHING. I'm keeping the screen share on for this so that you will understand both the ways. So you can see both the slides. One is hatching, the other one is cross hatching. Stippling and blending. See, it's ready. I hope you can see this. It's ready. Are you all ready with this?
Yeah.
Lakshmi?
1 minute, ma'am, please.
Yeah, be fast. So, सबसे पहले you have to remember one thing that no matter you do hatching, cross hatching, stippling, blending, you have to make sure that your pencils are nicely sharpened. अगर pencil sharpen अच्छे से नहीं हो तो you won't be able to achieve the effect. So basically sharpening the pencil is very important. We'll be starting with the hatching process. I'll show you what is the hatching like. So basically why we do this? To create, to give a form to the shape. एक शेप को फॉर्म देने के लिए अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं. This I'm just going to show in square, but then you'll be doing it on the circles, you'll be doing it on the triangles. I will send you the shapes. You have to practice it. So I will show you the hatching steps. It is done in 5 ways. First, what you do is you just go hatching like this. This is called hatching. Can you see it? 1, 2. You can make these lines closer. This is step 1. Simple hatching. Now step 2. Are you all see? Can you all see this?
Yeah, but
Camera is good. I mean, you can see the angle.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, we can see it. But Vishali, the corners, I mean the edges, we should not touch it.
Like this.
No, no, the edges.
Yeah, we have to touch the corners. We have to touch the corners.
Okay.
Basically, you do this is the first step. I will show you the second
Huh.
step. Second step, hatching when it is completed. I will show you the second step. The second one is again going to be little closer, not full length, but closer, not full length. The first one you are ending it till here, till end you are ending the first one. The second one is between, but you are ending it little before. You are not going towards end. You're just ending it in before. See this. So I can see here the lightest part, here the darkest part. This is the second step. Can you all see here is the lighter part? Because my second step stopped here only. This is the lighter part. Now the third step is to stop before that. To stop before the second step. How will I do it? Just observe it. I am not taking it till end. Neither I am taking it till second step. I'm closing it before the second step only. अभी आप ऐसा करो, you just see me doing it. तो आपको एक आइडिया आएगा फिर आप करो. Because Lakshmi,
Yes, ma'am.
you one thing focus on what I am doing and then you do it. Okay, focus on what I am
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So first thing what we did was the basic one, one till here. The second one we ended just till here, just till this portion, and the third one we ended before the second one. Now the fourth step is
Okay.
to end before that. So how will I do it? I will do it this way.
Ma'am, can you please repeat this once
Yeah, I will.
from starting stage 2?
Yeah, I will repeat that for this one, cross hatching, because for cross hatching we need hatching. But you
Okay,
just
okay.
understand the effect, how the effect is being created. So this is the fourth
Yeah,
step.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
And the last step I am ending before only. See, it has got the effect like a shading. Can you see the shading effect?
Yeah, yeah, we can
I will
see
show
it.
here again because for cross hatching we need a hatching and then we have to do the cross hatching. I will show here again. Please observe it. Huh? I'm going to zoom the camera. Okay, I'm starting. Just observe. This I am doing is hatching first.
This first line should be lightly drawn, right?
Yeah, lightly drawn as in I am anyways using only one pencil that is 2B. I am using 2B pencil.
Ye-
So you can
Yeah,
draw
yeah,
with a light pressure. Is basically we are creating that 3D effect. We are creating that shadow and 3D effect.
yeah.
So this is the first step of hatching. And then on this we again start hatching, but then we are not ending it till end. First step में हमने क्या किया यहाँ से start करके यहाँ पे end किया. अभी वैसे नहीं होगा. अभी यहाँ से start होके थोड़ा पहले end होगा.
Okay.
and I'm following the same direction.
The second, we have to press a bit pencil or the same method.
No, same. The more you
Okay, we don't have.
that will go darker.
We do. Oh, okay. We don't have to give pressure to the pencil.
No.
Okay.
So this is the second one. I have ended till here only. I haven't done it till here.
Yeah.
Just ended till here. Now the third step would be ending it before the second. तो हमने दूसरा किया उसके पहले भी तीसरा वाला end होगा. So now I'll end it just little before.
तो ये डार्क कैसे दिख रहा है? मतलब अब जैसे एक के ऊपर एक हो रहा है इसीलिए डार्क ये डार्क दिख
Yes. That is the idea of shading, right? That is the idea of shading, and that is how the value is created, value is added.
ओके
और
या
जैसे मैं और पास में करूंगी वो और जिंदा लगेगा और डार्क लगेगा. नाउ अभी ये मैंने तीसरा स्टेप
हाँ
यहाँ पे ओवर कर दिया. नाउ आई डू द सेकंड स्टेप, उसके भी पहले ओवर कर दूंगी. See, the second step is over. Now the last third step is it's going to be very close on the edges only. For the last step you can add a little pressure. See the effect created.
Yeah, it's seen
Yeah. So
beautifully. It's really yeah.
Yeah, it is looking like a 3D. Now अभी इसमें हम cross hatching करेंगे. This is hatching. Now we'll do the cross hatching. Cross मतलब you are going to cross it. I will show you how to do it. Now we started like this. Now I'll start crossing it. You're seeing crossing?
Yeah. We should take it from the opposite side, right?
Yes. We have to make that cross effect, no?
हाँ. So same procedure.
Yes. Crossing
Fine.
procedure will follow. Now I'll do the recrossing.
But in recrossing, the second step, we don't need to touch the edges, right?
Touch the what? Edges? No, not necessary.
No. Yes, ma'am. Same like hatching only.
Yeah, but I'll tell you, if you touch the edges, it will be nice because that will give you finishing. Now I'm just showing you, so I'm doing it quickly.
Yeah, ma'am.
So now here I'm ending it little before here. Now the fourth step. And the last step, it's going to be darker. And the closer. See this. Can you see the cross effect?
Yeah. Like very small, like boxes. It looks like, right?
Yes. That is how you create the shading. That is how you work on the shading part. I want to charge my laptop. So are you clear about crossing and hatching and crossing? Can you do that as assignment?
Yeah.
Lakshmi,
We can.
I want to hear from you. Can you do this in the assignment?
What, ma'am? What, ma'am? Can you please repeat again?
Can you do the hatching and cross hatching in the assignment?
No, not it, ma'am. I just watching whatever you done. Okay.
But
Because
you
we need to focus.
understand. Okay, now you now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I understood, ma'am.
Yeah, I will
Yes,
repeat.
understood, ma'am.
I will repeat this, but let me tell you. Hatching you learned. Cross hatching is like crossing over. Now
Okay.
stippling. What is stippling? Stippling follows the
Yes,
same
ma'am.
technique. Basically, it is kind of creating a shadow
Uh,
shade. Because this is pencil shading. Once you have a different shades, it looks 3D. It looks like a 3D painting. So this form we are going to make it look 3D. So I'll show you the third method. This is called stippling. So what is stippling? Stippling is nothing but this. You just keep on adding points like this. It can be this way also. This is called stippling. You keep on adding points. This is a very cliche process. ये बहुत cliche process है, but at the end you get a good result. So you're going to add
Actually,
हाँ
मेरे बेटे ने थोड़े दिन पहले ही ड्राइंग क्लास की थी ऑनलाइन एंड उसको भी ये चीज सिखाई हुई थी स्टिपलिंग क्रॉस हैचिंग
हाँ okay. So he
stippling, we need to put dots only, no, ma'am?
yeah like this.
Okay. Okay.
I'm just showing you quick versions. So after putting this dot, the second step will be putting closed dots. You will be putting closed dots. Like you will be filling up the place. Place को fill करना है आपको.
We need to fill the gaps, right?
Yeah, but the place won't be filled entirely. It will be finished till here only, till this part.
Yeah, ma'am.
सीमा जी आपको समझ रहा है?
या फर्स्ट थोड़े से बड़े डॉट्स करने हैं ना एंड सेकंड में थोड़े से छोटे डॉट्स करने हैं.
आप फर्स्ट में भी ऐसे ही डालो. ये जो ऐसे दिख रहा है ना वैसे ही डालो. थोड़ा दूर होता है फर्स्ट वाला.
ओके
सिर्फ जगह ज्यादा है तो मैंने आपको दिखाने के लिए वैसे बताया, लेकिन ये एक्चुअली ऐसे ही डालते हैं. इसको अभी हम इट्स लाइक जगह से लाइक
ओके
हमने थोड़े दूर डाले थे, अभी हम थोड़े पास डाल रहे हैं.
ओके
हम लोग पूरे जगह पे नहीं डाल रहे, हम लोग पहले ही थोड़ा डाल रहे डॉट्स ज्यादा. दिस इज द सेकंड लेवल. देखो ये कैसे होता है ना, एक शैडो इफेक्ट होता है. लाइट जहां से आती है वो पार्ट हमेशा प्लेन होता है जहां से लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट होती है. सो दैट विल अज्यूम दैट लाइट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम योर दिस साइड. तो ये पोर्शन हमारा रहेगा ब्राइट.
रुशाली जी स्टिपलिंग फैशन इसके कैसे रिलेटेड है, मतलब ये गारमेंट्स के ऊपर यूज होती है?
गारमेंट के ऊपर हमें अगर 3D लुक देना है, जब हम पेंसिल शेडिंग करते हैं गारमेंट पे, दैट टाइम वी कैन यूज दिस टेक्निक एंड दिस गिव्स यू गुड हैंड ऑन द ड्राइंग. As an artist, it gives you a good hand to understand the shading. This is the complementary thing that you can understand the shading. अभी आपने जो सेकंड स्टेप में डॉट डाला है, थर्ड स्टेप में आपको और क्लोजली डॉट्स डालने हैं. बस यहाँ तक दिखा रही हूँ आपको क्लोजली डॉट्स कैसे डालते हैं. I will send you some reference pictures of stippling so that आपको एक टेक्निक तो पता चल गया है, लेकिन आपको इसके रेफरेंस पिक्चर भेजती हूँ तो आपको आइडिया आएगा. इसको आपको थोड़े पेशेंस लगेंगे इसको बनाने के लिए. थोड़ा शांति से पेशेंटली आपको ये असाइनमेंट करना है.
या
And the fourth step is very close dots. आपको एक ओवरऑल इफेक्ट मैं बता देती हूँ so that you will get an idea. Ritwik, are you getting it? Ritwik?
यस मैम.
समझ रहा है ये?
हो समझ लो.
तो देखो एक इफेक्ट मैं आपको बताती हूँ. What kind of effect I have achieved from stippling. Can you see this? ये एक्चुअली पूरा भरना.
या
and then we adding, we keep on adding, but then we leave the areas. हम add करते जाते हैं, but we keep on leaving areas. तो अभी जो एंड रहता है, जैसे हमने हैचिंग में किया, क्रॉस हैचिंग में किया, द एंड इज ऑलवेज ब्राइटर, इट इज ऑलवेज फिल्ड अप. That is how it is.
Down part only brighter, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Upper part is.
See, because you have to always decide where the light is falling from. For me, light was coming.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You know, if any
Upper portion, then we need to fill the upper portion, right?
Yeah. If the light is coming from the upper side, this corner my light is coming.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
light is coming from this corner.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this will have to.
Yeah.
Will have the too much of detailing. My all detailing will be here, and this will be my darkest part because there is no light here. This will be my darkest part.
Okay.
So this is how it works.
Okay.
And now for blending.
Okay.
For blending, you need to know shading. For shading, again, you need to have a pencil with a proper sharpener, and you need to understand the technique of nicely, smoothly shading it. इससे क्या होता है? You give a smooth texture. This will help you to give a smooth texture. I will show you how it works. See, in this again, you can play with the pressure of your hand. So it's not necessary you have to go light. You can go darker also. You can play with the different pressures. Okay? I will show you how it does.
Okay, ma'am.
See, I have got this here.
There is no need to give much pressure, right, ma'am? Or need to give pressure?
It again depends on how you want to do it. And also, you have to practice this. Because ये अभी मैं कर रही हूँ because I have got the practice of doing it. So mine is very close, nicely blended. And remember, if your pencil are not sharp, if your pencil is not properly sharpened, you won't be able to give a nice effect. तो इसके लिए अच्छे से पेंसिल शार्प होना बहुत जरूरी होता है.
हाँ मैम.
See now, I'm just actually quickly showing you. Otherwise, the finishing has to be there. It has to end till end to end properly, nicely end to end. So I've got this shading done. अभी मैं इसमें blending कैसे करूँगी? आप जो देखते हो ना portrait, जिसके ऊपर बहुत अच्छे से faces blend किए हुए होते हैं, how they do it? उसके लिए कुछ blending devices होते हैं. There is something called blending stump. जो भी हमारे पास it's called paper stump, जिससे हम blending करते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll show you the picture of paper stump, but right now I'm doing it with either you can do it with a tissue paper. With the tissue,
Yeah.
or you can do it with earbud.
Earbud.
I will show you how to do it. Few people do it with hands, fingers. बिल्कुल मत करना fingers से, okay? Don't do it with the fingers. बहुत messy हो जाता है. You get the stains on the paper everywhere. Very dirty thing. Do it with this or the paper. I will show you with both. This one side I am doing with this earbud, and the other side I will do with the tissue paper. I'll show you how it blends. It's so smoothly and so nicely blended. I will show you the camera closer.
Ma'am, with the help of stumps or earbud, we need to finish the edges, right?
Yeah. We can
Whatever gaps are.
Yes, we can finish the edges with that. But see the difference here. You can see.
Because some gaps are there, we need to finish those, right?
Yeah. Let me send you. This one I did the only shading part. Okay, this is the only shading part.
Okay.
The left side I have done with the earbuds. See, it is nicely blended. It's nicely blended.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll do it
Yes,
with
ma'am.
tissue paper. Here, this side I'll do it with the tissue paper.
Okay.
This is my tissue paper. I've inserted my finger in this. And you have to actually do this blending in a cross manner. जैसे आपने एक डायरेक्शन में आपने शेडिंग किया, I did the direction, my shading direction was like this, right? Like this, left right
Yeah.
left right left right, and it was going upwards. जब मैं blending करती हूँ forgot to tell you, you have to do it in cross. Actually ऐसे cross में करते हैं, cross. Blending is always done in cross. Then it gives you a better effect.
When you started, Vishali, doing shading, the pressure in the whole box, it was the same, or as you went up, you made it light?
See, there are two things. You can actually keep it same. It doesn't matter. But if you want to create some value, जैसे मैंने कहा, अगर if I want a light from this side or this side, if suppose I imagine the light is coming from this side, तो definitely ये मेरा part light होता जाएगा. But अभी मैंने आपको सिर्फ
Okay.
दिखाने के लिए पूरा box उसको shade किया, completely shade कर दिया.
Okay.
I will tell you that technique. What is that light is? How the light plays role. I'll tell you that. So I will show
Okay.
you quickly this part actually. See the effect. Both gives me the same effect. Even the
Ma'am, with the earbud, we use earbud more place, but tissue paper less place only, right?
no. I showed you two different types.
Example. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
We can use paper stumps also. वो paper
Okay.
stumps are used by the artist. जो artist होते हैं ना वो use करते हैं. We are the designers, so we can actually use this. We can help. This will help work for us. If you have a lot of money, it's not expensive, but then if you want some extra thing, so you can get a paper stump also. I will show you what is paper stump is like. So basically these four techniques you have to practice, and I will send you the proper picture of this, how to do it, as in the look of it. I will send you this picture also, but you have to do this in your assignment, and you have to do this effects in different shapes. I will tell you the assignment
Okay.
what it is. But I just want to understand, did you understand the basic part of it? I will repeat again. I will show you again one more time. Hatching. Lakshmi,
Yes, ma'am.
right? I am showing hatching
Yes,
again.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Of how the color wheel looks like, कैसे उसको बनाया जाता है, so that you will get an idea. But color wheel का basic concept
Okay.
you have understood, that primary color, secondary color and intermediate color, and you make this color wheel, play with the colors.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to take only 3 colors from your poster color. This is your poster color. Just take 3 colors, red, yellow and blue, and play with that color. And the color wheel can be of any size. आप कौन से भी size का बनाओ, you will get an idea how to play with the colors. Have you got this color thing?
Yeah. Got
सीमा
it.
जी पूछिए, आपको
We
कुछ
have to-
सवाल है, पूछिए प्लीज.
नहीं हमें मतलब एग्जैक्टली मिक्स क्या करना है, मतलब जैसे फर्स्ट हमें प्राइमरी कलर्स ये सारे पेंसिल से नहीं करना है, एग्जैक्ट जो कलर्स उनसे करना है ना.
मैं आपको बताती हूँ.
या
See, in my poster color box, I have red color, I have blue color, and I have yellow color. सबसे पहले आई विल मेक दिस स्ट्रक्चर. ये जो दिख रहा है आपको स्क्रीन पे स्ट्रक्चर, एक गोल है, अंदर एक गोल है, फिर एक ट्रायंगल है और 2 ट्रायंगल है. ये सेम आपको बनाना है सबसे पहले. देन लक्ष्मी, यू आर देयर, राइट?
ओके.
देन यू हैव टू पुट दिस कलर, ब्रश से लेके, पानी ब्रश से लेके दिस कलर, देन उसके बाजू में ब्लू कलर और जिसके बाजू में.
What's the name? What's the name of those colors, ma'am? You have now?
Those are in your poster color box. Those are in the box. Red, yellow.
Can you please send me the picture?
I will send you the picture. Red, yellow, blue. First add these 3 colors. Then you mix this
Okay.
one and this one in same quantity. Okay? This one and this one in same quantity. You will get this secondary color which you see on the screen. Similarly,
Yeah.
red with yellow color, you will get this color. The secondary color, orange. And when you mix yellow and blue, you get green color. So you have to just remember one thing while mixing the colors. Mix them in same quantity. Mix
Okay.
in the same quantity and create the same colors. Are you clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts, any questions? I will send you the color wheel picture. You have to follow that, and also I will send you this picture also, the shading one. So you have to create.
If we have any
this one.
doubt, we'll send you. We'll ask you in WhatsApp, ma'am. No problem.
Yeah. Sure. On WhatsApp, you can ask me, and this is what you have to create. I want to see the 3D ball from you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See the 3D ball. You have to play with the. You can play with hatching. You can play with cross hatching. You can play with blending. But I want to see this effect from you. Okay, only these two assignments.
Ma'am, we will surely make that 3D ball. But if any mistakes are there, please
I will.
guide it.
Will you be able to do it by tomorrow, or you want to submit it on Monday?
Sure.
Can you submit it on Friday, or you want to do it on Monday? When you want to submit? सीमा जी, कब कर पाओगे आप ये?
Yeah. I'll show it on Friday.
Friday. Lakshmi,
I'll show
will
it
you
on
be able to do it Friday? By Friday, you will submit. Please do it on Friday.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Friday, you have to submit these two. Friday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Ridvik?
Friday.
Yeah, okay. Done. So that's the end of today's class. You have any questions, any doubts?
No, nothing.
ओके सीमा जी, आपको कोई भी डाउट होगा, मेरा व्हाट्सअप नंबर है, आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो. मैं आपको इसके फोटोज भेज रही हूँ. लक्ष्मी, सीमा जी एंड ऋत्विक, आई एम सेंडिंग यू द पिक्चर ऑफ दिस हैचिंग, क्रॉस हैचिंग, सो यू विल गेट अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ओके.
Okay.
Lakshmi, you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Ritwik, you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Great. I will miss you guys. I will miss you till Friday.
Me too, ma'am.
Meet you
Thank you so much.
soon on Friday.
Sorry?
Meet up soon on Friday.
Oh,
Thank
sure.
you so much.
You're most welcome. Take care. Bye.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Bye.
take care. Bye, ma'am.